officially the weekend. Hi, and welcome to my channel. I am Saromolisiwa, and this is Gracefully Tori. Now, if you're seeing my face for the very first time, hi. Thank you for clicking on that button to find out more about who I am, what I'm about. And if you are a returning subscriber, shareholders, where you at? Woo! Welcome back. Bye. And if you haven't subscribed, I really hope that you subscribe this time. So it's a Friday evening and we have our last youth service of the year, and it's a Thanksgiving Secret Santa type of session, and that's where we're going today. I'll show you guys a bit of what's going on, but really I'm going to be like in the moment having fun. But I wanted to start this vlog because it's enough, so it's already uploaded. Sorry, vlog is sufficient, so it's already edited, uploaded, thumbnail, everything. It's a student, so now we're gonna start a new vlog and head off to youth service and possibly end it off tomorrow when I go hunting for a white dress. But let's go. I have to run. I'm dressed in daddy couture as per the usual, well, most days. But let's go. Thank you. Guys, I think I'm literally aging. I'd usually be there in the circle, but good morning, guys, and a happy Saturday. Guys, in Katel, last night was a lot. I really hope that I have enough footage from last night to share. Otherwise, I'm sorry. Yeah, but today is Saturday. Like I said yesterday, this is the day I go hunting for a white dress and then go to rehearsal and then get ready for tomorrow's Thanksgiving / Christmas carols, Christmas service, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. But before I want to show you guys what I got from my Secret Santa yesterday, and also how I'm going to wrap tomorrow's praise and worship Secret Santa gift, because it's going to be hilarious. One moment. This is what I got. And a note. Excuse me, what? So if you know anything about me, you know that, oh my goodness, my voice just changed. You know that this gift made me so happy. So thank you, Sophia. I don't know if she'll see this vlog, but thank you so much. She actually found out a couple of things that I like from watching my content, which is really crazy. If I start with the LED lights, guys, I scream. When I saw these, I scrolled, and I'll tell you why. If you can go back to my Christmas tree, setting up my Christmas tree vlog, right? I didn't have all my lights on because I had lights exactly like this, right? And when I was trying to install them, I actually found that the lights were, how do you say it? The light and the battery was disconnected, so I couldn't use them. And I was really bummed because I really enjoyed those lights last year. And Sophia got me the exact lights. I don't think I've ever spoken about them, but I think she saw that my Christmas tree was not done because it wasn't. And then when it came to this madam over here, the non-alcoholic JC Rubazalwane, she was also like, yeah, I saw somewhere you and a couple of people, not in your YouTube, I think it was 300 subscribers, and I was pumping that what's it called? Yeah, that sparkling celebration drink. Yeah, and I love it. I love celebrations. With the game, I'm gonna keep this, well, by the grace of God. And if I can get to the last day of Vlogmas, which is the 24th, 25th of December. Woohoo! Guess who's popping this on camera? But anyway, guys, before I spend too much time rambling, drama. Hey, if you haven't watched the video where I purchased these, I'll try and link it. Please go watch it so you can understand the whole concept behind this gift giving exercise, right? And so I just realized that I actually had this box from I think around June, July, when we got gifts and I actually haven't used them, so I'm going to put everything in this box. But let me show you what was in the box. Okay, now I understand why unboxing people always struggle with one hand. So this is what we had got. Okay, put that away. And I got like stuff from Nubian Seed, which I'm going to be using very soon because what? Sikatele. So this is my plan. I'm gonna find something else that's quite heavy to put in here. And then guess what's going to go inside here? Guess what's gonna go? What's gonna go inside here, right? But I want something heavy, Anna. Maybe just like a bottle or something, just to make it heavy so it doesn't give away the fact that, yeah. So, Hi guys, we're still in pursuit of the white dress. We're not winning. Can I live my sister? Okay. Can I listen? A Christmas hat because I'm extra like that. So excited. So now Madam is looking for items for tomorrow's praise and worship gift exchange. This is what I'm settling with, guys. Hi! Guys, we're still looking for white dresses. It's not cute anymore. Initially it was a joke, but now it's not a joke. Like, we are tired, we are hungry, we are frustrated. Just for a white dress. No. I'm so tired. Hi guys, so I just got home. It's 22:10. I'm exhausted. We're just helping with a couple of things at church, really. In preparation for tomorrow, I want to wash this dress and package my gift for tomorrow's session. I thought I'd do it with you guys, but really I'm so tired and I just want to get everything done and then like take a shower so I can go. So I'm not too sure. Sorry guys. But I'm gonna close this vlog here and then possibly start a new vlog tomorrow. Bye.